Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, we're going to fix that annoying issue where you can't link your Facebook account to a Garena in Call of Duty Mobile. This is a common problem in 2025 and I've got you a full step-by-step fix that actually works. Let's get right into it. So first up, the main reason why Facebook won't link your Garena is usually because of the permission settings or a region mismatch. To fix this, open the Facebook app on your phone or log in into your browser. Head over to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, Apps and Website. Look for Call of Duty Mobile or Garena. If you don't see it, that's the part of the problem. What you want to do is just tap Add Apps. Search for a Call of Duty Mobile and manually allow access. Make sure all permissions like public profile, email, and add phrase are turned on. If it's already listed, remove it, then re-add it to refresh the link. Next, go back to the Call of Duty app. On the main login screen, choose Login via Facebook, not Ghost, or Garena directly. When the Facebook pop-up appears, make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account and not a secondary one. Still not working? Head into the phone settings, go to the apps, then Facebook, and clear cache and data. Then do the same for Call of Duty Mobile. Restart your device, open the game, and try linking again. This helps if the apps have a bug or stored login conflicts. Another important thing to check is that you're using a Garena version of VMD, not the global version. The Garena edition is region specific, so make sure your app is downloaded from the correct app store or APK platform that supports Garena linking. If all else fails, try logging with a different device just to rule out any mobile specific bugs or restriction. And as a last resort, reach out to Garena support through their help portal and submit your issues. They may manually unlink or reauthorize your account. And that's how to fix a Facebook not linking to Garena issue and a Call of Duty Mobile for 2025. Hope this walkthrough helps you and solve it once and all. If needed, smash the like button, subscribe for more gaming fixes and mobile tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.